This is where I live. You don't have chance to see any of those. We just watched some birds around this area. Now I need to pack a day bag. Yeah, a day bag out of a day bag. Because today we are going to the reserve and stay there for a night. At 8, we're going to have breakfast. Our breakfast. Wow, fruits. This is like chocolate syrup.
Yes.
Ooh. I couldn't really sleep last night, I think, until 4 a.m. because the whole room was very hot and humid. And this mosquito net made it even worse. And in fact, there was no mosquito, so I just put it up. Ouch! The weather is way much cooler in the morning, and I could take a nap for almost 2 hours right after breakfast. I'm waiting for the boat to go to the reserve. I think the name is called Tambopata. Oh, by the way, even the accommodation here is very basic. The food is excellent. They have a very good kitchen. They didn't cook anything fancy, but it's way much better than I was expecting. I received my lunch already. This is called the Tambopata Reserve. Have to put on the mask when we are passing the entrance. Next to the entrance, there's a thingy store. Why are they selling cigarettes in the reserve? Wow, you look scary. Hey, we are gonna walk 3 kilometers and then canoe for 2 hours. This area would be like a lake or something.
Yes.
During wet season. We are not able to come here.
Yeah, we can. No, because this Tambopata area is open all year, rainy season and dry season.
But you can see fish and caiman here.
Yes, here. Grow approximately 70 meter high.
La Puna.
Yes, Lupuna. Or scientific name is Ceiba pendranta. That tree is the family of the cedar tree. Sometimes in this kind of tree it's possible to find the nests of the toucans, macaws, and eagle. Always the big tree has this kind of vines. This vines is very strong. You can see now. Yeah.
Is it the root?
Yes.
This is the root.
These are roots. It's only this kind of tree has this kind of vines. It's very, very strong.
This tree, 500 to 600 years old.
Yes.
Wow.
But for example, the woodmen cut this tree for construction of the house, tables, boat, because the wood is hard. It's good.
It's a huge tree. How old is it?
That is 700.
700. Wow.
Cost of 1 kilo of the larva is approximately 20 or 30 sols.
Inside?
Inside there is a larva.
Larva. What is larva?
Larva is a caterpillar. You know caterpillar?
Caterpillar?
Yeah, that's caterpillar. The color of the body is color yellow and the head is color brown. Here we can eat live or fried. Look.
This is the cotton?
Yes. Take. It's
Oh,
hard.
it's very strong. I need to take a breakfast. Then we will go for canoeing. Wow, it's such a big boat. And we're gonna canoe for 2 hours.
Yeah.
I thought I need to do the canoe, but 2 tour guys, they will be doing it. The local people made this channel in order to connect to the river.
Yeah, no, to the house.
To the house.
Yes,
Oh, okay.
because when you walk by trail, inside to walk approximately 3 hours.
Oh.
But when you take this channel, it's only 30 minutes. Okay, lady, we will move in this boat.
Okay.
Adios.
Adios. I want to see what color it is. I think it's orange.
Maybe.
Yeah. Let me move a bit. Oh! Oh my god, another butterfly.
Yes.
Another one is on me. I cannot move my right arm now. This way can walk to the forest or someone's home.
There is another local family house.
Ah, I see.
The name is Wilding House.
Wow,
Now
a lot of butterflies.
Look.
A lot of butterflies.
Yes, full yellow, white, green, red.
So this is the last one.
Yes.
Yeah, one of the fourth, the last one. Ooh. I was about to say good technique. This is a private pier. They make their own road.
That is a Inca jungle
Thank you.
tour. That is an Inca trail.
Inca's Trail. This is the name of the family. Let me go to the bathroom to wash my hands because it's time for lunch. This place looks like a campsite or a national park. Wow, as a national reserve. What am I talking about? It looks like you can have your barbecue here. But I don't think you can do that. But all the seats are facing the lake. There's another house. This is my room.
Yes. You can sleep here. There is a private room, everything.
Wow, nice. Oh, bathroom. Nice. Yes.
And here you can charge yourself, and now there is electricity.
Oh,
Try.
okay, sure. Thank you. Let's take a look. What's that? With banana leaf. It looks like a tamal. How to unwrap it? Okay. Wow. Oh, it has rice. Let's see. Ooh. Wow. Looks pretty nice. By the way, that's the lake view. It has egg, soya meat, carrot, and zucchini. Oh, it also has olives. They use the banana leaf to wrap everything. It's quite environmental friendly and tasty as well. We are really practicing social distance. So far away from each other. We are taking a break. In 2 hours we'll go back to the lake. I want to get a bottle of cold Coca-Cola. It's in the fridge, but it's not cold. This is the monkey brush. We go on to the lake again to look for more animals. What's this? Hola. ¿Qué quieres? ¿Qué quieres? Listen to the sound. That's crazy. Just came back from the lake. Today we saw lots of small monkeys, turtles, what else? Birds and caimans. Now it's time for dinner. This is the dining room. Friday soup.
Yes.
With corn, sweet corn?
Yes. The name of the corn is choclo.
Choclo.
Grow only in Ollantaytambo and Urbamba. In the Sacred Valley,
Yeah.
grow this.
With a bit of pasta. And what is the green thing?
This is the coriander.
Ah, coriander.
And the yellow one is a pumpkin. Orange
Pumpkin.
is a carrot.
Carrot. My dinner, I'll tell them I'm vegetarian, so I got omelette rice.
Eggs.
Caiman eggs?
Yes.
Seriously?
Yes.
No.
No, it's a chicken eggs.
This is sweet potato or yam?
Yes. This is
Yam?
normal potato.
Normal potato, but the color is different. Day 3, 5 a.m. in the morning. Papaya juice, bread,
avocados,
avocado, tomato, cucumber, banana, fries.
fried banana.
Guys, all of the seats here are facing the lake, right? But this one is facing the other way. You know why? I mean this one. Because this is the magic internet spot. This morning we got up very early and went back to the park. We wanted to see some birds, but we didn't see too many. I was a little bit disappointed, but on our way back we saw an otter on the lake. We are going to look for more animals again, but this time we'll walk around this homestay area. Finally, I can see a coconut.
Yeah.
In Peru.
There is a coconut.
Okay. Wow. This cactus is very tall. This is for yellow fever.
Yeah. 30 nuts.
20 or 30 nuts?
Yes.
Oh.
The cost of this nut in Puerto Maldonado, this ball is approximately 10 or 12 sols. But the cost of the 1 kilo of the Brazilian nut is approximately 30 or 40 sols. Only in rainy season, the people collect the nut.
Look at this tree. Wow.
Well, life approximately 2,000, but now this tree is 700 years. Recently is a baby tree.
Let's pass through this tree. Let's go there. Hi.
The jungle door, huh? Another family territory.
Oh, so don't pass.
Yes.
Just walk the trail behind the house. There's not much to see, but I had a very good workout. This homestay is way much cooler than my last accommodation. At least it has some breeze. Maybe it's because it's right in front of the lake. But we are going back to the first accommodation after lunch. Wow, it's so comfy with the breeze. Passion fruit.
Yes.
Thank you. This is our lunch. Rice with mushroom, potato, some veggie and fruits. I'm back to the first accommodation. It was so scary when we left the homestay because the weather suddenly changed and it was so windy and cloudy. It looked like it's gonna have a thunderstorm. Our boat was swinging left and right, and my tour guide was the only one who was paddling the boat. Fortunately, we arrived at the park in 1 hour, and at the park, we saw a sloth. Since I learned about the sloth in Costa Rica, it has become my favorite animal. Today, I'm so thankful because I could see an otter and a sloth, as well as a very safe boat ride. It seems like the weather has completely changed. Now it's 5 p.m. It's quite chill and comfy. Like 2 days ago, it was still hot and humid. Hopefully, I can sleep very well tonight. And tomorrow will be my last day. Yes, I only joined a 4 days, 3 nights trip. I think it's quite enough for me.
Un mes y medio, casi 2 meses tiene.
That is a white caiman, ¿no?
El cocodrilo es mucho más grande, más agresivo. Como si 7 veces su cabeza, hay que medirlo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
We just went out to see some caiman again, but those are smaller ones like baby caimans. Now it's time for dinner. Our soup for tonight, and then watermelon juice, main course, vegetables with rice, very healthy.
There is a water?
Where is the water? In the next episode, we will cross a few hanging bridges and visit a local family. I will also show you some information about traveling to Puerto Maldonado. Remember to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Until next time, bye!